Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to lock screen in Metatrader 4. To lock your screen in Metatrader 4, first of all, open your Metatrader 4 application on your mobile device. Once you open up the Metatrader 4 app, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the settings menu, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on settings once again. And then click on the toggle button right next to lock screen option. You will now need to go ahead and set a 4-digit PIN to access the app. Type in the PIN with the help of the keypads and re-enter it once again. You will then be able to enable lock screen option. Now, whenever you close off the app and launch it open again, you will be asked to enter the PIN code. Simply enter the PIN code that you previously set, and that way you can unlock your Metatrader 4 account. That is how you can easily lock screen in Metatrader 4. This will keep your screen active while you trade in Metatrader 4. If you need the device to lock, you can always use the power button to lock the screen manually. If you force close the app or if you simply close off the app, then the screen lock will turn on itself. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Metatrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.